forget anything else. If you have an if-then conditional statement, right? P then Q. If P then Q, what you want to look for is this case where the first part is true and the second part, right, where the arrow points towards, that is a false statement. All else, everything else is true. If you have the and, right, the and, P and Q, the only time you're actually truthful is if you do both things. If both things that you promised you were going to do are true, then it's the only true case. All else is false. I've used this with my students for a couple of years now on the study sheet, and they were, I think, for the most part, quite successful on the exam. Or P or Q, you're saying, you know, I will wake up at 5 in the morning, or eat ice cream for breakfast. Okay, something like that. If you only do one of them, it's true, right? So the only time you're lying is if you haven't done either one of them. Okay, then you're like, hey, you lied, man, right? Like it's wrong. Right? All else is true. And then the if and only if, this is the biconditional. This is biconditional, which you should have on your study sheet. What this means, I will just biconditional, I'll add that word there. What you're looking for is both P and Q being true, or you're looking for where both of them are false, like they're both the same basically. Those are the only two true statements when it's biconditional. And all else is false. Right? So this is your cheat sheet entry. And